You guys, we have a tornado warning here, and the siren's been going on. And this is how the weather looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so scary. Scary and pretty at the same time. Can you hear the thunder? Like, all the campuses and people's been calling, saying there's tornado warning, get shelter, get under the basement and everything. And this is severe weather warning because they would never call this much, and it would never, like, the alarm would never sound like this, but it's been like this for a good 30 minutes, guys. Oh my god, it's flooded. We better not get no more flooding in the basement. Can't do that no more. No wonder today was so disgusting, so nasty. So I thought you guys should know how ugly and nasty the Midwest is right now. It's so disgusting. Ugh. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. Look at this. Oh. And it's just getting more and more and more. Look, I got so much water. Even that little bucket, and look, there's more still coming, rising. So I gotta stop this before my furnace gets damaged one more time. Can't afford it at all. Look, I did not know that this is happening. This is why my basement is flooded right now. Oh my gosh. So scary. I just want to show you guys how bad it is on the streets right now. Oh my god. This is why we had a massive flood last summer. And look, if it keeps raining like this, we're going to be flooded again. And then we're going to have to, like, get a new furnace all over again, and people, like, couldn't even afford furnace this past summer because of the damn flood. Oh, this is so bad. Look at that. That is horrible. Let's see if I can zoom in. And it goes all the way over there. I thought it was just me, cause it seems to like to come on my little driveway and my neighbor, but I guess it's worse over there. Oh. Let's see. Thunderstorm one more time. What? I'm gonna go study. Okay, whatever. Lisa, would I just unscrew this and that, take this thing out, and then just buy a new one and plug it in? Is that how it is? Let me know, because it looks pretty simple to me. unscrew this and these little ring, and then take this out, buy a new one, put it back in. Right?